Paychex is out with its Small Business Employment Watch report for July, and joining us to talk through the report is John Gibson. He is the Paychex CEO. John, you've got some pretty good news in what you've been seeing. It's kind of the example that we've been thinking when it comes to the soft landing. Some wage increases coming down, but that's not impacting the jobs market overall. What did you find?
Well, thanks, Becky. It's great to be with you. I feel like I'm a little bit of a broken record. I've been coming on this show for probably the last year, kind of pointing out that we're seeing wage inflation moderating and really no signs of a recession. And I think that story continues. We're seeing wages go down without real job losses. Interestingly enough, Fed Chair Powell stated sort of the same thing last week in his conference. So in July, what we saw for the first time since 2021, wage growth fell below 4%, and we continue to see a strong small business job index. We're really where we were at the start of January.
Down below 4% for the first time, but just barely, 3.95%. That is still implying hotter inflation than the Fed can tolerate.
Well, there's no doubt about that. But the other thing that I kept pointing to is we also track what we call a weekly earnings growth factor, which really looks at where's that heading. And that had been heading, and we had actually for 5 consecutive months been below, significantly below 4%. And we continue to see that number going down. And when you also dig under the wage data, Becky, there is still something going on in leisure and hospitality. Leisure and hospitality has been dragging down the job index the last 3 months. That is a supply issue again. We're seeing a supply issue. And in fact, wage inflation, a lot of the wage inflation we're actually seeing in the index is coming out of the leisure and hospitality sector. Wage inflation there was 5%. And when I told you about that leading indicator we follow, it popped up to over 6.5%. Wow. So certainly I think we still have a labor participation and a labor supply problem, particularly in the leisure and hospitality sector.
You think anything's going to happen to get more people back into the workforce?
Well, look, there's some signs of hopes. We're starting to see, there's some reports that I've read, and we're seeing it. We're starting to see women get back in the workforce, particularly in the prime age. Actually, prime age workers are actually getting back to even higher than pre-pandemic levels, but it's really not keeping up with the 55 plus going down. And I think on a macro level, as we look at the retirement of the baby boom generation, that's something both employers are going to have to look at. How do we create more flexible work environments to keep those people in the workforce? And I think government officials have to look for more ways that we can attract more workers into the active workforce.
How do you break this down geographically? Which parts of the country are the strongest? Which are the weakest?
Yeah, look, this story's been going on really since the start of the pandemic. The South continues to be the strongest. It ebbs and flows, but continues strong growth in the South. When you look at the weakest areas, New York, the Northeast, and the West Coast continue to be the areas that continue to kind of drag on the index.